So hello everyone, this is Francis. On the last video, we I did exercise 26. Okay, unfortunately, it's a very long exercise since it's an exam. So we'll just proceed with exercise 27, and hopefully we finish it with exercise until exercise 30. Okay, so let's just proceed. Okay, 27 doesn't have any programming problems, so that's good. Okay, 28. So in 28, we have to run IRB, or the interactive Ruby. Uh, there's no code, but for me, I would like to type in something. So let's close this first. So there are one items here, 20 items. We won't be running it, so let's have a text file then. Okay, number one is true and true. Uh, Both of them should be true, so the answer will be true. Number two is false and true. If at least one of those values is false, then the answer is false. Is 1 equal to 1 and is 2 equal to 1? Uh, 2 is not equal to 1, which is false, and at least one of the expression is false. So, and the precedence, my guess is it's that one. So my answer is false. So next, I'm guessing here, uh, this is not comparing the memory values of a string, but rather the values of the string itself. So I guess that it's true. Okay, number 5. Both of them is true, so 6. Both of them is true. Both of them is false. Both of them is true. Okay, 11. Test is not equal to testing. 2, 12. Oh, I'm sorry. 12 is test is equal to 1. I got the questions mixed up. 1 is not equal to 0, 2, and 2 is equal to 1. At least one of them is false. So it's false. So true and false is false, not false is true. 0 is not equal to 1. Uh, this one is true and true, so true not true is false. False. False or true is true, not true is false. True or false is true. True or false is true, not true is false. Okay. Z is Google. Okay, so true and false is false, not false is true. Okay, a complicated expression. So let's have this first. False or false is false, not false is true. True and true is true. False or true is true, not true is false. False. So at least one of them is false. So it is false. What I meant is false or true is true, not true is false. So it doesn't matter what value it is false. Okay. 3. Okay. Uh, True or false is true, not true is false. True or wait, true or false is false, not false is true. True and true is true. Okay. So actually, uh, can we just automate this? Yeah. Okay. Actually, one of the disadvantage if you're using IRB is that you just have to copy and paste from the console to save your work, but in this case, we want to save all of our work in one file, so might as well create a Ruby script. Okay. Much better. Then 1 not equal to 0, right? Can we just do this? Unit 1. 38. Is it not? Or this one? Is this a symbol for not? I guess so. Oh, we have this. Oh, apparently. Okay, so we have true, false. Oh, okay. How do we concatenate again? just compare it. So we run as is. Okay, and then mark. Yeah, and then compare it. Okay, so number 1 is true. Okay, 2 is false. 3 is false. Really? Does this evaluate from left to right? It's true. But does this have a precedence? Is 1 equal to 1? Uh, okay, let's have it. Let's have it. Hmm. Apparently, we can't do it this way. So, okay, we have to test using IRB. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, true, correct. False. False. True. Okay. True. True. False. True. False. False. True. False. True. False. 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 So true. True. False. And finally, false. Hmm. Okay, true or false is true, not true is false. I'm sorry. True or false is true, not true is false. I'm sorry. I didn't get the last one. So, yeah. Okay. So next, uh, just a minute. Okay, hi again guys. Sorry, it's really raining. So, but anyway, let's proceed with the next exercise. So exercise 29 is all about if statements. So first, let's have this. Oh wait. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. I misnumbered the exercises. So, uh, the the Boolean practice part should be exercise 28. So the 27, that makes it 28. That makes okay. So we're good. Um, let's proceed with exercise 29. So for the first part, we have for the first section we have two variables: people, cats, and dogs. Okay. Next, we have certain conditions that if people is less than cats, we have it's too many cats. Ooh, the world is doomed. Okay. Next, we have people is greater than cats. Okay. So as you would notice, cats outnumber the people. So in this case, it should print too many cats. The world is doomed. Okay. Next, if people is less than dogs, no, the world is drilled on. The world is doomed. Uh, so the opposite of being drilled on is dry. Okay, so the world is dry. As, we, as if we don't have any water. So in this case, people outnumber the dogs, so the world is dry, even though um, um, majority of the surface of the earth is water. Right. So next, we increment the number of dogs by 5. So we have oh, you can save it. So exercise 29. Okay, if people is less than equal to dogs, so we have people are less than equal to dogs. If people equals dogs, people are dogs. Okay. Okay, so the initial value of people is 20, dogs is 15. We increment it by 5, so people and dogs has the same value of 20. So in effect, these three conditions, okay, will be executed. People are greater than or equal to dogs, people are less than or equal to dogs, and unfortunately people are dogs. So if we run this one, okay, we would have an error. What exactly is happening? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So, if you didn't initialize a variable, so just Ruby will just compare. So, in effect, the output would be too many cats, the world is doomed, the world is dry because of less than dogs are lesser than people, and the all of the three lines are printed. Okay, so that's for exercise 29. Next, exercise 30. Okay, from animals, let's proceed with people and transportation. Okay, so 30. Cars with an S is 40. Bus with an ES is 15. So next 30. Okay. So for the next exercise, we'll be using if and else if statements. Okay. So, so take note, else if is not this one, it's this one. Okay. So you would use else if you would be comparing three or more scenarios. So in this case, the first scenario is cars outnumber the people. The second, people outnumber the cars, and the last one is uh, they are equal. Okay. Notice that there is no end. Oh, okay. There's an end. Okay. So take note. If ever you'll be using if and else if, you have to put an end um, to terminate your expression. I was thinking of Microsoft Basic. I'm sorry. Okay. So if buses outnumber the cars, we have okay. If cars outnumber the buses, hmm, the third scenario is pretty much sad because we can't decide. The first one is we can't decide, and the second one is we still can't decide. Okay, if people outnumber the buses, alright, just take the buses. And then if buses outnumber people or people equals buses, then we're going to stay home. Okay, that's a good option if you're a homie. Okay, okay, alright. Uh, let's predict the output. Okay, so 30 people, 40 cars, and 15 buses. So cars outnumber the people, so we should take cars. And then, uh, okay, second scenario, buses is less than cars. Cars outnumber the buses, so this one. Okay, maybe we could take the buses. Okay. would be displayed, and people outnumber the buses. So all right, let's take the buses. So let's run, run, run. Okay, did it output it? Did it display it correctly? Okay, so that concludes our set from exercises 27 to 30. For the next video, I'll be trying to do exercises 31 and hopefully we'll end at exercise 35. So this is Francis again. Thank you for watching.